Hello everyone, welcome to Success Education. Today we'll be doing the translation for Sanskrit for class 9, unit number 7, that is Samhati Karya Sadhika, which means unity accomplishes the task. Before that, if you have not subscribed my channel till now, please do subscribe it for more videos. So we'll be starting with the translation. The first paragraph translation is: there was a large silk cotton tree on the banks on the river of Godavari. Many birds who had come from various countries used to stay there at night. Among them was also a crow by the name of Lagupatnaka. Now once the crow saw a hunter like the second god of death moving about in the morning. Having seen him, the crow thought, "Today in the morning itself, the sight of a bad thing took place. I don't know what undesirable thing it will show." Thus thinking, he became anxious. Second paragraph. Now after having scattered the rice grains, a net was spread by the hunter, and he stood hidden behind the tree. Right at that time, the king of pigeons named Chitragriv was flying in the sky with his retinue. Having seen the rice grains spread on the ground, the pigeons were greedy. Then the king of pigeons said to the pigeons who were greedy of the rice grains, "How could there be the possibility of rice grains in this uninhabited forest? So think first. I do not see any good coming out of these. As a result of this greed of rice grains, even some great misfortune may befall us. So under no circumstances a thoughtless action should be done, because well-digested food, very clever son, well-managed wealth, the king who is well served, something said after thinking properly, whatever is done after giving it a good thought, do not get spoiled during the course of quite a long period of time." Hearing this, a certain pigeon said proudly, "Ah, why is it said like this? Indeed, when the time of calamity comes, the advice of old people should be accepted. By thinking thus every time, even eating food will be impossible. And it is said, everything is pervaded by doubts. Food and water are difficult to get. Where should activity be proceeded? How indeed should life be lived?" Having heard that speech of his, all the pigeons sat down on the net. Then all of them were trapped by the net. Now being bound by the net, they criticized the pigeon by listening to whose advice they got there. Having heard him criticized, Chitragriv said, "To be surprised in difficulty is the characteristic feature of a cowardly person. So holding on to courage, now let this be done. Being of one mind, unitedly fly away taking the net. Because the unity or combination of even small things accomplishes the task. The huge elephants in a rut can be tied with the rope made out of blades of grass." Now the last paragraph. Thus thinking, all the pigeons flew away taking the net. Then the hunter ran after them, seeing them carry away the net. But seeing them gone far away, the hunter went back. Having seen the hunter gone back, Chitragriv said, "We will go to my friend Hiranyaka, the king of mice. He will free us from the bondage." Then they went to the king of mice. The ties of all were cut by the Chitragriv's friend, the king of mice, with his sharp teeth. Chitragriv also went to the desired place after having given thanks to Hiranyaka. And here we come to the end of the chapter number 7. I hope you have understood the complete chapter, means the translation. If you have any doubts, you can write in the comment section. I'll surely try to answer all the questions. Thank you for watching my video, and do subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you.